Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for December 30th, 2016, last day of the year. Right now it's about hour and 47 minutes before the close. Gonna jump on to the gold site, Simpler Stocks Gold, the extra premium side for the last hour of trading today. I don't expect that much to happen today. I expect a lot to happen tomorrow though. But for now, what we're getting is a tight range in here. If you go into the futures and main stocks that I look at in here, you're going to see you have all of the ESs down all of 25, now down 50. NASDAQ down 13, led by weakness in like the Amazons and Googles of the world. You have the Russell doing much of nothing, down 180 in here. You have the bonds up 9. Dow Jones Industrials down all of 6 points, nothing in here. You have the SPX, that says it all right there, down all of 0.43. Now let me just tell you what's going on in here. There are a lot of rumors that there's a big old sell program tomorrow on the close. The whole idea about that is you wonder if that's already in the stocks. You know how that goes in there. So the whole idea is right now, not a lot going on. But we're going to be watching under the surface on the premium side to see if we see any unusual option activity. I'll tell you that. So that's what we'll be doing in there. Right now, you have the transports down all of 3. Like you see, narrow all around the board here. You have gold having a great day up 14. This is more of this kind of January effect where you're getting the laggards like the bonds and gold and silver going up while you're getting the dollar and the rest of the market going down fractionally. You have the advanced decline today. This is how you knew we weren't going to absolutely crack. ESs, when they were down 4, the advanced decline was positive. It's still positive, up by about 400 in here. You have the VIX barely up, but a little up, forming some kind of bull wedge we've talked about on the premium side. You have the Nikkei getting pounded today, down 340. What's exciting about that is I just posted a bearish chart on it yesterday. Really exciting to see it sell off like that. It's now down about 620 points from its high. So no doubt about that's been pretty exciting in there. So where do we go from here in the market? Number one, when everybody thinks we're going to go one way, you get a little nervous. That's number one. Number two in here, you have tomorrow, the end of the year. This is what I've been watching to see if these moving averages start crossing and we can go into an intermediate downtrend. As you see on the right here, doesn't look like a downtrend to me. It looks like a nice little short squeeze in here. So to let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial. We're not going to have it that much longer. But I wanted to show you what that includes in here. It includes the chat room. The normal, simpler stock silver room includes the chat room in the morning. The gold includes this chat room in the morning and the afternoon. But it includes the chat room. The premium video, much more in depth than what you're hearing now. The email alerts. Every day I send out at least 6 stock trades and chart ideas, at least 6 index and futures charts, and I post unusual option activity when I see it in here. I don't post 1,000 of them. What I try to do in here is post the ones that will actually work. If I post too many, you're not going to do any of them in here. The other thing really important on our site is the meetup. Next week, I start a 6-part series, and this has been going on all year. I'm doing Train Your Brain, a 20-minute to 40-minute web series. These are all free. They're not an extra $99. So what we do in here is I go through, and I'm going to do 6 20-minute episodes all about feel. I've been doing episodes all year, and they go into this. They go into our learning series. These were all about an hour. I think that's almost too long. I'd rather break them into smaller ones. Gets overwhelming for everybody. But see these on-demand classes? Those are free with your subscription. I'm not going to charge you $99 a pop for each one in here. Free. Look how many. We're not talking about 1 or 2. Scroll down. Tremendous amount of free learning on our site. So just keep that in mind that comes with your subscription, the silver or the gold subscription in there. The last thing I want to mention in here, tomorrow my boss John is having a class on end of the year tax selling, on how to do the January effect. Reap the tax loss harvest. if you get a chance, try to sign up for that. It should be a great class. So everybody have a great great night, and I will talk to you basically next year. So take care.